The Changeling, also known as the Trickster of Tzeentch, is a demonic herald of Tzeentch who epitomizes the Lord of Change's love of sowing discord and distrust and his perverse sense of humour. Tzeentch long ago bestowed upon the Changeling a doppelganger ability to assume any shape, from that of the tiniest insects to the largest greater demon. The Changeling carries out practical jokes in both the realm of chaos and real space, always intended to bring out the constant change so beloved of his patron. The only shape that the Changeling cannot assume is that of Tzeentch and his own, for he has long forgotten his original form and desperately seeks to regain the knowledge through any means necessary. Only the great schemer known as the Changeling's true form, and he will never reveal it so as to keep his favoured pawn under his control. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.